In Northcote's quiet streets where Art Deco whispers through weathered brick, a home awakens to a gentler truth. Cascade House is not an addition. It's a mindful refrain. A 70% smaller volume sculpted around necessity, cultural memory, and the simple joy of rain falling like music. The new extension wraps the original 1940s core in a corbelled brick skin. A slice of oversized Art Deco ceiling motif, rendered in Flemish bond and painted white, becomes the western face, solid in the afternoon sun, yet animated by shifting shadows. The monolithic brick volume contrasts with the modest original, celebrating both old and new in quiet balance. Built of cost-effective, locally laid brick, the extension sits upon the original slab. The inverted roof form, an overture to rainwater's journey, funnels every drop into a projecting gutter and down a rain chain into lush beds. Here, structure performs its elemental role with poetic candor. An entry link and light well connect old and new, creating a private courtyard that floods the home with morning light. Inside, modestly scaled rooms, living, dining, kitchen, flow seamlessly. Upstairs, the main bedroom frames nothing but sky. Guest rooms perch above the garden, each with its own framed view. Brick brise-soleil panels choreograph sunlight like a living sundial. By day, shafts of light ascend tables and walls. At dawn and dusk, the shifting pattern becomes a subtle clock that marks the family's rhythm. Austere on the exterior, the white painted bricks reveal texture and movement. Inside, crisp white walls and warm timber floors provide a neutral backdrop, allowing light and shadow to compose the interior drama. Moments of delight unfold in every corner. A pocket of preserved Art Deco plaster, a built-in bench beneath a sky-slice window, simple furnishings that let materials and light remain protagonists. Wrapped on three sides by planting and 50% permeable paving, the site breathes with every storm. Rain chains channel life into the garden, while minimal hardscape keeps the earth open to sky and roots. In Cascade House, less becomes a canvas for wonder, where brick, rain, and light converge in quiet celebration. It reminds us that architecture need not shout to be profound. Sometimes, it simply listens to the rain.